Vinyl window installation in Covington is a popular choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. With a variety of vinyl window styles available, Vinyl Windows Covington residents can enjoy both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Covington window installation experts provide comprehensive services, ensuring a seamless process from start to finish. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing utility bills and enhancing comfort. Covington Window Insulation Services offer advanced solutions to minimize heat loss and improve energy savings. Vinyl Windows Covington deliver exceptional insulation performance, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your home. Covington window frame replacement services ensure that your windows are secure and properly fitted. Our team specializes in Vinyl Windows Covington, providing durable and long-lasting window solutions for homeowners. Double-hung windows are a versatile option for any home. Covington offers a range of double-hung vinyl windows Covington that combine classic design with modern efficiency. These windows are easy to clean, energy-efficient, and highly durable, perfect for the Covington climate. Window glass installation is an essential service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Covington Window Installation Services provide quick and efficient solutions for any glass-related issues. Whether it's a small crack installation or a full upgrade to Vinyl Windows Covington, professionals ensure top-quality craftsmanship. Custom window solutions in Covington allow homeowners to personalize their window designs. Covington Window Design Consultation Services provide expert advice on selecting the best window styles for your home. Custom vinyl windows Covington are tailored to your specific preferences for both appearance and performance. Window weatherproofing is crucial for protecting your home from harsh weather. Covington Window Weatherproofing Services ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Vinyl Windows Covington offer UV protection and energy efficiency, helping reduce fading and damage caused by sunlight. Window measurement services in Covington ensure a perfect fit for every installation. Covington professionals take precise measurements to guarantee flawless results. With Vinyl Windows Covington, the installation timeline is efficient, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily routine. Vinyl window installation in Covington provides a range of benefits, including energy-efficient options that help reduce energy costs. Our Covington window experts specialize in Vinyl Windows Covington, offering customized solutions to match your home's architecture and insulation needs. For those seeking window frame replacement in Covington, our experts deliver comprehensive services including window glass installation and window seal replacement. Our Covington window installation team ensures each Vinyl Windows Covington project enhances your home's performance and aesthetic value. Double-hung vinyl windows Covington remain a top choice for homeowners who value both style and efficiency. Our Covington installation experts provide a range of Vinyl Windows Covington styles, from modern to traditional, ensuring a perfect fit for any home design. Window maintenance services in Covington are essential for preserving the look and function of your windows. Our professionals handle window cleaning, screen replacement, and hardware upgrades. Regular care of your vinyl windows Covington ensures longevity and peak performance. Understanding the window replacement cost in Covington helps homeowners plan effectively. Our affordable replacement options for Vinyl Windows Covington provide top-tier quality at competitive rates. With transparent pricing and efficient scheduling, your project stays on time and within budget. Vinyl window energy savings in Covington are substantial, thanks to modern insulation technology. Our services include UV protection, weatherproofing, and Vinyl Windows Covington security upgrades, allowing you to enjoy both efficiency and peace of mind. Covington window frame replacement and moisture control are essential to maintaining durability. Our experts install vinyl windows Covington designed to resist humidity and prevent structural wear, ensuring long-term reliability for your home. Our Covington window installation warranty guarantees the quality and performance of our services. With vinyl windows Covington, you receive long-lasting beauty and protection, supported by timely installation and expert craftsmanship. Custom vinyl windows Covington provide a personalized touch for any residence. Our consultation team helps you choose the best vinyl windows Covington for your energy and design goals, ensuring your home stands out with superior comfort and style. Vinyl window UV protection Covington and soundproofing are key for comfortable living. Our professionals deliver vinyl windows Covington that block harmful rays and minimize outside noise, creating a serene and energy-efficient indoor environment.